In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Excel cell values without deleting them. If you've ever wanted to keep data inside a worksheet, but prevent it from showing visibly on the screen, Excel gives you a simple way to do that. This is especially useful when the values still need to exist for formulas, calculations, or references, but you don't want them displayed in the cells themselves. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet you want to work with. You can use this with almost any kind of data. For example, you might have a simple table with products and prices, such as a laptop, a mouse, and a keyboard. The goal here is not to erase those values, but simply to hide them from view while keeping them fully intact in the spreadsheet. One important thing to understand is that hidden values can still be used by formulas. So even if the numbers no longer appear in the cell, Excel still recognizes them in the background. That makes this a practical option when you want a cleaner-looking sheet or when you want to reduce visual clutter without removing important information. The recommended method in this case is to use custom number formatting. Start by selecting the cells that contain the values you want to hide. Be careful to highlight only the cells you want affected, since the formatting will apply to everything in that selection. Once the cells are selected, press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Format Cells dialog box, which is where you can control how cell contents are displayed. Inside that window, click the Number tab. Then, from the list of categories, choose Custom. This option allows you to define your own display format for the selected cells. Now click inside the type box and enter 3 semicolons, like this: semicolon, semicolon, semicolon. In Excel, this custom format tells the program not to display the contents of the cell, even though the underlying value remains there. After entering the 3 semicolons, click OK. As soon as you do, the values in those selected cells will disappear from view. However, they have not been deleted. They still exist in the worksheet and can continue to be used in formulas and calculations exactly as before. This is a quick and effective way to hide cell values while preserving the data. It's ideal when you need the information to stay functional but not visible. If you ever want to show the values again later, you can simply return to the cell formatting settings and remove the custom format.